Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new unboxing video of 1/24 scale Ferrari SF90, and this is a very new model. It's made by Bburago in 1/24 scale, and as you can see it looks great with a Ferrari branding here. This is an officially licensed product from Bburago, and this is a very genuine product because it looks great, and as you can notice that the detailing looks fantastic from outside. The box packaging is awesome and very strong, and we also have this race and play branding here. It's made in China, of course, and we have the box which is sturdy and blistered from the top so that you can see the car from outside. So let's open it and see. Okay, here we go. All right, the car looks great, and as I noticed that the logos and branding of this car is brilliant. We can see the logo of Ferrari here that looks very realistic. The wheels also have a Ferrari logo. It's a freewheeling wheels, freely spinning both front and back, and we have a Ferrari logo here as well at the back. From every angle the car looks great. Now let's remove these bands and see how it looks like. Okay, now the wheel can spin freely. There is no problem at all. You can open the engine bay and see that the engine detailing is brilliant. It's very detailed and looks good. I also have this front end opens, and there is a small storage space that makes it feel very realistic, and the interior plastic is in matte black, so that gives a more realistic look. We have a Ferrari branding and logo in the front, and these black air intakes between the bumpers that looks fantastic. The headlights are, it looks like it's a glass, and it also adds to the beauty of the design. Now let's open the doors. So I'm gonna use this to open the door. Wow, that's amazing. It's very tight, and we have this glass over here that looks like the door has the glass up to prevent any dust getting in. So that's amazing. So the interior is also very realistic, and when I turn the wheels, the steering wheel also moves. I hope you can see it. Yes, the steering wheel works, and the mirrors are also very realistic, but it's very delicate. It's made of plastic, so if you put some pressure on it, it will eventually break. So we have to keep it in a very safe place. A little dust here, but I don't know, maybe because of the storage area, but the car looks absolutely clean. We have this beautiful air intakes here. You can see it now. Overall, this car is very well built. Now let's separate it from the base and see what's underneath. Oh, there's something here. I think this is some kind of paperwork. We'll check this later on. Okay. So the screws are a bit tight, so you have to be very careful while removing it, because at times what happens is if you turn it in a wrong way, it will give some cracks under the plastic. The quality of plastic is brilliant, very nice, 1x24, and the car looks amazing, beautiful. Very nice scale model from Bburago. We have these disc rotors, and the disc pads are stationary and the rotors spin. So that's the level of external detailing that Bburago gives, and that's why I like it. Very nice scale model. If you want to buy this model, you can check my Amazon link provided in the description and order now. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day ahead.